Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a TCL 205. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. I'll show you. This one need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Sometimes need close ads firstly, and now need choose your application from the list. Maybe Google Chrome will be nice. So choose your application, and now from the library choose new icon on this one. Okay, now in the top right corner we got OK button, so tap it for save this icon and wait a second for generating.
Hello Dave, how you doing?
Sometimes need close ads a few times maybe, so close. And now we got success message that our new icon of Google Chrome is created, so go to home screen and here we got new icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.